Welcome, Powered Away athletes. Today we're going to do a HIIT workout, but we're going to, however, do it a little bit differently. Normally, HIIT training involves 30 seconds of running or some kind of exercise, and then maybe 30 seconds of rest, repeated over and over and over. That's a good way to train, and it builds endurance. Everybody needs endurance. If you can do one push-up, the only reason why you can't do 100 is because you don't have enough endurance for it. But anyway, you'll notice that with sprinters, either on the track or swimmers, they will swim or run for 10 seconds, 15 seconds, swim for a minute or two, and then rest and recover for an hour. That's actually HIIT training. That's the proper way to do intervals. Intervals are not supposed to be this. Intervals are supposed to be this and then nothing. This and then nothing. This and then nothing. That's how today's workout is going to be. It's going to be 15 seconds of hard work, and then I want you to rest as long as you need to rest. So I want you to do right now, take your base heart rate for 15 seconds and multiply it by 4 and see what it is for 60 seconds. And then after you do your interval, I only want you to start the next interval once your heart rate comes down to where you begin with right now. That's your resting heart rate. So that's what I want you to do. So basically it's going to be 5 exercises repeated 3 times. They're going to be 15 seconds long, and then you rest as long as you can. Pause the video. The pause itself will be about 15 seconds, so once you unpause it, you know you'll be going in about 15 seconds. There should be a countdown clock, and just follow that. Remember, hit it as hard as you can for those 15 seconds, and then rest as hard as you can for as long as you need to. So that should be about 45 seconds to maybe a minute and a half. The quicker your heart rate comes down, the better shape you're in. Remember, during your HIIT workout, you burn calories after the workout, not during the workout. I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Let's have some fun and let's hit it.